everybody, Brian back here with a look at Tron. All right, we covered this, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. We were breaking through this 786 Fibonacci level. All right, breaking up into expansion here. We failed to reach the prior high back over here, and we are pulling back here. All right, we're going to take a look at this and see if we can figure out what's going on here. We heading back to the upside. We're in the middle of a correction. What's going on here? All right, number one, let's go over here and take a look at the crypto bubbles real quick. On a pretty decent day out there. Ave, man, every time I see this pop up, I wish I would have stayed in this trade longer. Turned out to be a really good trade. I made some really nice money off that yesterday. If you're interested in trading with us, guys, sign up for a level 3 membership. It's only $15. You get a bunch of videos to teach you how to start charting, over 10 hours of videos, over 10 hours, and a link to the Discord to come trade with us. So it supports the channel a lot, and you get your money's worth out of there. So please check it out if you would. The Fear and Greed Index, we're now at a 27. We were at a 26 yesterday. It's only up one click today to a 27. All right, Bitcoin has pulled back to a 618 fib, and it has bounced right back up above that 57,000 there where we want it to be. All right, a 618 is a perfect pullback area. That's where you usually see a pullback, anywhere to the 618 to the 786. It's come down, tapped that 618, and is bouncing, and the daily RSI is heading to the upside. That's very good sign. Okay, they over here, I just want to show you real quick. Bitcoin wallets with 100 plus Bitcoin has hit a 17-month high, which means the whales are buying. All right, it says the whales are gobbling up more crypto as smaller traders feel the pressure and sell their holdings. Usually a bottom is near when the whales start purchasing. All right, now with TRX here, you can see we have a trend line coming up through here. All right, right up through here. Okay. Pretty close to right about there. Let's get this as perfect as we can here. Alright, so as long as it holds this line, it is still in trend, right? I mean, it's still in an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows. Got a higher, got higher highs and higher lows coming in here. The weekly RSI is at a 70.15 and a 70.9. Alright, it is rolling over here a little bit, okay? Your monthly, see where the monthly's at. The monthly is still heading to the upside. That's good news. That's what you want to see here. Okay, our daily is just about reset right at the bottom, and the 12-hour is also on the bottom. The 8-hour is on the bottom. That's good. And the 4-hour has turned to the upside. All right, so looks like maybe just a small correction in here. If we take a look here, this is on a 4-hour chart. We had this run up. What I found interesting is if you come out, let's go out on a daily, or maybe it was on the weekly here. It was on the weekly. All right, if you put a fib on top of this up here, this ended up almost perfectly doing a 1618 up here, right up here. Okay, right there's your bottom, and it hit that 1618 on the head, which makes me think that was probably a wave 4 and a wave 5. So you probably had something like this going on in here. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. Usually after that you have some sort of correction come in. Normally an ABC or a 5-wave down structure. Let's take a look and see if we can see anything in here. All right. Well, I see 5 waves right there, 3, 4, 5 on the hourly. I don't see any type of ABC measurements. All right, if we put a fib on here, go for a swing high down, made it to a 382, which normally means 1, 2, 3. Probably gonna have a swing 4 up and a 5th wave down. All right, so this thing could pull down pretty decently. Right here you can see it a lot more clearer. Okay, what we got going on in here, you have a 1, 2, this is the 3rd wave you're working on down now. Okay, 3, then you have a 4th wave up, and then a 5th wave down. How far could this come down? That all depends. All right, now if we take and go from our swing low here, right here, to our top, you know, probably going to pull down, I'd imagine, around the 618, 702, somewhere down here. If I was a betting man, not financial advice, guys. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, all right? That's not my thing, but I would imagine somewhere down in this zone here, I would imagine this thing will end up, okay? This is exactly what looks like is going on to me. Got 1, 2, you know, it's hard to say where this third wave will end up, fourth wave, and then a fifth wave down. We'll just leave it like that for the next video, see how this plays out, but that's what it looks like is going on to me. Probably has a little bit more down room to go here. The 8-hour RSI, these are heading to the upside. The 4 is heading to the upside here, and your 1 hour is heading to the upside. Alright, so maybe you get that wave 4 starting back now, and then you get your fifth wave down. Hard to say how it'll go here, but that's what I'll be looking for. Something like this. I think there's still some more down room left here. Alright, I just do. Like I said, that daily still has a little bit of work here. It's at a 0 and a 0.8. Still has some room to come down. Your weekly has flipped over bearish there. It's got some room. Got a little bit of work to do, I believe, yet until this correction is over. So hang in there. You know, won't take long, I'm sure, but I still think we have some downward movement. Thank you so much, guys. Please check out that level 3 membership, and I'll talk to you guys soon.